Hi, I'm Dave Harrington. What I have here is Gerber's latest offering in their Model 06 automatic opening knife. The improvement they've made is the lightened G10 scales. Very tactile surface, offers good grip. You've got the Tanto style blade, partially serrated, stainless steel, excellent edge retention. You have a strike surface at the pommel, and you also have a lanyard loop if for any reason you want to use a lanyard on it. Activation button is oversized, so it's easily manipulated. And you also have a positive locking system to ensure that the blade remains locked when you have it open. Made in the USA, good piece of kit. If the circumstances warranted it, I could certainly bet my life on this piece of gear.
Panteo.